Hey guys, I've been busting out these swamp coolers like crazy. I'm almost caught up. I think it might be time for a fun video. I pulled this air tank out of the metal bin and I want to turn it into a stove for my wife's she shed. It's about midnight and I'm a little tired. Let's see how much we can get done. So this hole in the back is an intake port. It's actually connected to this tube that feeds fresh air all the way down into the middle of the fire. Each one of these on the side can be opened up and can add fresh air into the fire. This is just a regular flue. And then this panel here just lifts off. And this is for heating water and drying wood or whatever. Well, I think this project was a success. What do you guys think? If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Check out some of these other videos like this R2D2 stove I made, or this pellet stove that's heating my house right now. And I'll catch you next time.